Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the class. In this session, we are just moving with the next chapter, that is permutations and combinations. As a first lecture, first we need to understand what is the objective of this chapter, what is the purpose of this chapter in our daily life, even, right? So basically, we come across in such incidents where we need to arrange the objects, where we need to select the objects out of some given objects. It means basically, let us say one example. Through an example, I think you might have understand the objective of this chapter, and then we'll come to the topic what we have, right? Let us say you have three letters, right? A, B, and C. Now, by using these three letters, how many words you can frame with or without meaning? Just by arranging these letters, you always get a three-digit word. Three letters word. Okay. So in this way, how many words you can create with or without meaning? So the first letter I can make like A, B, C, the first letter. And the second one, it may be A, C, B. Third will be like B, A, C. Then B, C, A. Then C, A, B. Then C, B, A. So there are six possibilities I got, right? In six ways I can arrange them, the three letters, to generate six different words, may have meaning or may not. So this is what basically the way of arranging. After arranging them, after writing them, then I comes to know there are six possibilities. So now my intention is only how many, not what are they. How many words I can frame. Only I want the count. Only I want the count, not the listed things. हम इन तीन लेटर का यूज करके कितने ऐसे वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं, सिर्फ मुझे उसकी काउंट की रिक्वायरमेंट है। उस केस में मैं ये जो लिस्टिंग वाली टाइम को कैसे बचा सकता हूँ? मुझे without listing, how can I comes to know that there are six words you can make by using the three letters, right? With or without meaning. Similarly, if I ask you that by using 1, 2, 3, and 4, how many four-digit numbers you can make? How many four-digit numbers you can make without listing them? Without listing मतलब मुझे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, बट मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कितने फोर डिजिट नंबर्स को बना सकता हूँ, या उसमें हम कंडीशन ये डाल सकते हैं कि नंबर्स रिपीट हो भी सकते हैं, नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं भी हो सकते हैं, right? So how I can do with this? Only I want to know the how many number of how many numbers of four digit. Yeah, how many four digit numbers, right? I can make. I can make. So, for example, I am writing like 1, 2, 3, 4 is one four digit number. 4, 3, 2, 1, it's another four digit number. 1, 3, 2, 4, one another digit number. In this way, how many four digit number plates I can make with the help of these four digits? without listing them, because if you are going to list out these things, it will take much time and it will make create some chaos. हो सकता है कि अरेंजमेंट करते करते हम कुछ नंबर को रिपीट भी कर दिया हो या कुछ नंबर्स को हम छोड़ भी दिया हो. So I want the exact count कि exactly हम कितने 4 digit numbers हम बना सकते हैं. So this is what we called as technique of counting, which we called as counting techniques. So in this chapter, which we are going to learn few counting techniques without listing the objects. So I think it's very clear message you got. The objective, the motto of this chapter is to develop a skill, develop a type of skill where you will be polished by this technique, that is counting technique, right? So to develop this counting technique, to understand the counting techniques, we are starting with the multiplication rule technique. You can say it is also one of the fundamental rule, a fundamental principle of counting. So this is the fundamental principle which we called as multiplication rule. How multiplication rule will help us to get to know the exact counting of this arrangement. Now see, I'm using this multiplication principle to get this count here and here in both the cases. See, here I wanted to make three letter word. That is very clear. 3-letter word. Just make a 3 boxes. 3-letter word. Okay. This is, we can say, first place, second place, and third place. Now, how the multiplication rule works? First, we'll see the first place can be filled in how many letters, with how many letters. So how I am writing the same here. See, I should get 6 only, no? Right? Take them look. How this multiplication rule will help us to find out the counting. Only counting without listing the objects. Now, I wanted to get 3-letter word, right? 3-letter word. It means you may make like 3 boxes. The first letter will come over here, second letter come over here, third letter come over here. Now, the first place, right, can filled, right, with either A or B or C. It means how many ways that can be filled? 3 ways. The first place can filled in 3 ways. Now, out of ABC, at a time only one letter is filled. It means that if A is occupied, now A is not going to repeat, because I myself consider, right, none of the letter is repeated, means no repetition. No repetition. There is no repetition of the letters. Means A cannot repeat it twice here, more than once. एक से ज़्यादा बार A repeat नहीं हो सकता किसी भी word में. तो उस condition पे हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो first block can be filled with either A or B or C. Means the first block can filled in 3 ways. Now the second place can now filled with how many? Only 2 letters. Filled with 2 letters are filled directly, you can say, in 2 ways. Because with 2 letters only you can fill, because 1 letter is already occupied. And then the third place can filled in वन वे, बिकॉज थर्ड के पास फिर एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है। जब दो लेटर फेल हो जाते हैं तो तीसरा लेटर यहां आ सकता है। सो व्हाट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल सेज, बाय multiplication rule or multiplication principle, total number of words or total number of words will be given by their product. 3 ways into 2 ways into 1 way, that is 6 ways, means you can make 6 words you can print. See, after listing also you got to know there are 6 words you can make. Without listing them also, this rule will always want to give you the counting how many ways you can arrange them. In a similar pattern, here I have given you the 4 digits and I wanted to make 4 digit number. So how many 4 digits number I can frame by using the rule of multiplication or multiplication principle? How can I get the count? Only the count. We are not going to list out them. Okay. So अब मुझे counting चाहिए सिर्फ. So how can I get that one? Simply I would first make the 4 blocks because I wanted to make 4 digit number. The first place, second place, third place, and the fourth place. So how will I will start? The first place can filled, right? In how many ways? 4 digits, है ना? चारों में से कोई भी digit यहाँ आ सकता है, तो 4 ways I can fill. Then second place can filled in how many ways? 3 ways. Third place can filled with 2 ways. And the fourth place can filled in 1 way. So by the rule of multiplication, what we will say? The total number of 4 digit numbers will be given by their multiplication. Number of is the multiplication. That is what 24 numbers you can make. 24 4 digit numbers you can make. So you directly comes to know the counting without listing them. Here also you directly comes to know the counting without listing them. That is the objective of this chapter. Without listing the things, without listing the objects or numbers or letters, right? How can we comes to know that how many ways they can be arranged? So when we talk about here in both the examples, we are working on the condition that no repetition of letters or numbers or digits is allowed. It means that none of the letter or none of the digit is repeated. If we say repetition is allowed, if I say repetition is allowed, repetition is allowed. In this case, how can we move? अगर repetition allowed है, it means that A can come in all the 3 places, B can come all the 3 places, C can come in all the 3 places. It means that the word may look like A, B, 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 C, C, C. Means apart from 6 words, you may include 3 more. Total कितना हो गया? 9 words, है ना? So when the repetition comes, so how this multiplication rule will work? Where the repetition work? So each block is filled in same number of ways. The first block can filled with A, B, C. This is in 3 ways. Second block can also filled in 3 ways. Third block also filled in 3 ways. Then the total number of ways are given by 9 ways. Means how many words you can make? 9 words you can make with repetition. With repetition, there are 9 words. Without repetition, there are 6 words. So, whenever you are arranging the terms, you are always working on two different conditions. One, whether the repetition is allowed or repetition is not allowed. Similarly, if here also without repetition of any digit in the 4 digit number, you will be able to find out the 24 4 digit numbers you can frame. But if I say repetition is allowed, it means each block can filled in, right, 4 ways. यानी कि इस ब्लॉक में जैसे कि नंबर ए भी आ सकता है 1111, एक 4 डिजिट नंबर हो गया जिसमें 1 रिपीट हो रहा है 2222, 222, 2222. This is also 4 digit number if repetition is allowed. So in this way, when you are allowing repetition, then that is what arrangements will be increases. Means ये counting है 24 से बढ़ जाएंगे. So वो क्या होगा वो देखिए आप. In this way, so the first place can filled with any of the 4 digits. So second place can also filled in 4 digits. Third place also can filled with 4 digits. Fourth place also can filled with any of the 4 digits. 4 ways I am talking about. Then the total number of ways these 4 digit number can be what 256 numbers you can write. Just see the difference. Without repetition, only you can make 24 4 digit number. With the repetition, you can make 256 4 digit numbers. And it is not so simple to list out the entire things. So that is why the multiplication rule technique is developed. That is why we called as the counting techniques are required in such cases where the huge number of objects need to arrange to get to know the total possible countings. राइट. सो हमें ये इस चैप्टर का पूरी मकसद यही रहेगा, पूरी ऑब्जेक्टिव यही रहेगा हमारा कि हम एक स्किल डेवलप कर रहे हैं इस चैप्टर के थ्रू दैट वी आर कम्स टू नो हाउ मेनी वेज द ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैन बी अरेंज्ड, how many ways the people can be selected for a team, how many ways some colors can be chosen for manufacturing a particular object, मुझे कितनी तरीके से कॉम्बिनेशन में बिठा सकता हूँ, यही मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस चैप्टर का. सो उसी तरीके से मैं आपसे अभी और कुछ क्वेश्चंस करता हूँ. अगेन वी नीड टू थिंक, राइट. सी, आई एम टेकिंग द वेरियस एग्जांपल्स by keeping the concept same, counting technique with multiplication rule. Yeah. Okay. So let's take another one. I am giving you 3 colors like blue, yellow and green. Now I wanted to make 2 colored flag. I wanted to make 2 colored flag, one below the other. मुझे 2 colored एक flag बनानी है. So I am having a choice of 3 colors. So how many different flags you can make? How many different flags you can make? So you may take the combination of blue and yellow. You may take the combination of blue and green. You may take the combination of yellow and green. You may take the combination of है ना these what reverse order यानी कि मैं ऐसा बना सकता हूँ ब्लू फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में फिल कर दूंगा येलो तो ब्लू और येलो का एक फ्लैग बन सकता है तो येलो और ब्लू का भी तो एक फ्लैग बन सकता है बिकॉज अरेंजमेंट की बात करूं तो these two are of two different arrangements एक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लैग जनरेट कर रहा है तो इस तरीके से मैं कितनी फ्लैग्स मैं बना सकता हूं by using these three colors. Again, we are intended to know the count only, not the listing. हम लिस्ट आउट नहीं करेंगे हम सिर्फ काउंटिंग की बात कर रहे हैं तो पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है हम कितनी डिफरेंट कलर्ड टू कलर्ड फ्लैग्स बना सकते हैं so again we have a choice of only two colors the first block can filled with any of the three colors that is what the first block can filled in three ways similarly the second block can filled in two ways राइट इसको हम तीनों में से कोई भी एक कलर से फिल कर सकते हैं अगर एक कलर फिल हो चुका है देन सेकंड ब्लॉक के पास सिर्फ दो ही ऑप्शन बचते हैं यानी कि सेकंड ब्लॉक को हम सिर्फ दो ही कलर कोई भी बचा हुआ दो कलर से ही फिल कर सकते हैं सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज यू कैन मेक इज व्हाट 6 ways means you can make 6 different colored flags you can make again multiplication rule okay so this is what the multiplication rule speaks now take one more example here I am giving you the 4 digits I wanted to make 4 digit even numbers I wanted to make 4 digit even numbers मैं कितने 4 digit even numbers बना सकता हूं by using this even number कैसे होंगे 4 digit के like 1 2 3 4 it is one of the even number 1 3 2 4 one of the even number right and even 1 4 3 2 one of the even number so when I'm speaking 4 digit even number means without repetition wherever the repetition is given that has to be mentioned in the question में आपको mention किया जाता है numbers or digits can be repeated or letters can be repeated until and unless it is stated you will consider that without repetition only you are getting the counting so until and unless it is mentioned you are dealing with what without repetition without repetition. So only on this condition you are going to find the count. कितने तरीके से हम उसको अरेंज करके बना सकते हैं तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है 4 digit even numbers so first of all how many digit number is required make such box right 4 digit this we call ones place tens place hundreds place and thousand place because we are dealing with the digits and numbers so we can have that one or you may also first name this one like देखिए we are not only simply looking for 4 digit along with that it must be even number means what the first the condition has to be fulfilled ये ones place है or you may also name it as units place so units place first has to be filled क्योंकि we are looking for even numbers तो condition किस पे होगा ये पहला जो है इस पर पहले condition है तो condition वाले को पहले describe करेंगे and then without condition की बात करेंगे so first this has to be filled with either 2 or 4 then only you can say that number is an even number or the number is divisible by 2 hence this block the ones place can filled with either 2 or 4 it means there are two choices we have to fill this block Hence, what we will say here, the ones place can filled in two ways. Then you can come for tens place. So what you will say then, tens place can filled in. So one of the digit is occupied at a time, एक ही digit occupy होता है. Now this can be filled in how many ways? It was filled in two ways. Now one digit is already occupied, so the tens place can filled in three ways. Then the hundreds place can filled in how many ways? Two ways. And then thousand place will filled in one way. The thousand place filled in one way. So therefore, the total number of four digit even numbers is given by the multiplication rule, that is 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 2 to the 6, 6 to the 12. 12 means how many 4-digit even number you can make? 12 4-digit numbers. So we have solved this question on which condition? Without repetition of any digit. कोई भी उसमें से digit एक से ज़्यादा बार repeat नहीं होगा. If I solve the same question based on what condition? Repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, then this is definitely filled with only two ways. इसके अलावा यहाँ अगर 3 आ जाता है, यहाँ 1 आ जाता है, तो वो नंबर इवन नंबर नहीं कहलाएगा. तो पहला तो कंडीशन वाला केस तो फिक्स हो गया. This has to be filled in two ways only. If repetition is allowed, then this block can filled with any of the four ways, four digits. This block also can filled in four ways. This block also filled in four ways. The total number of ways we are going to get by the multiplication rule. 16 fours are 64 into 2 128 numbers you can make which are 4-digit even number. So finally what I wanted to say is, whenever you are arranging the things to know the counting, right? Only we are focusing on counting how many ways they can be arranged. That always works on the two condition. One is without repetition, second is with repetition. Without repetition, with repetition. Now similarly, if I want to find out, there are I wanted to make a 5-digit number, 5-digit number by using all digits, means 0 to 9. मुझे मेरे पास total 10 digits are available. By using 10 digits, I wanted to make only 5-digit number. So now just simply speak, अगर मुझे 5-digit नंबर बनाना है तो ये वाला प्लेस में तो 0 नहीं आ सकता. अगर यहाँ 0 आ जाता है तो ये 4-digit नंबर हो जाता है, ना ही 5-digit. इसका मतलब क्लियर हो गया कि इस ब्लॉक में तो 0 फिल नहीं कर सकते. मतलब मेरे पास 0 के अलावा 9 में से कोई भी डिजिट यहाँ आ सकता है. It means that this block can filled in how many ways? 9 ways. That's it. Means the condition first we have to fulfill. तो जब आप fulfill करते हो हमेशा, तो ये देखिए कंडीशन पहले ब्लॉक में है कि दूसरी ब्लॉक में है, लास्ट ब्लॉक में। जैसे कि इवन वाले केस में, ऑड वाले केस में पहले हम यूनिट प्लेस के ऊपर वर्कआउट करते हैं, बाकी रेगुलर तरीके से फिल करते हैं। जैसे ही हम यहाँ जीरो इंक्लूड होता है तो पहला हम ये जो फर्स्ट प्लेस ऑफ नंबर होता है उस पे हम बात करेंगे, रिमेनिंग ब्लॉक्स को आराम से हम सोच सकते हैं। नाउ इफ इनमें से कोई भी यानी कि 1 में से 9 तक कोई भी एक नंबर यहाँ फिल अप हो जाएगा, देन हाउ मेनी digits are left to fill this block? 9 again. So this place can filled in 9 ways. This place can filled in 8 ways. This in 7 ways. This in 6 ways. Then therefore the total number of ways we can make the 5-digit number by using the 10 digits is given by their product, where repetition is not allowed. By default, we are always dealing with without repetition until and unless it is stated in the question. If it is stated, right, repetition is allowed, then we'll take that first condition वाली box fill करेंगे, then without condition पे आएंगे कि अगर यहाँ जीरो नहीं आ सकता तो 9 digits से fill कर सकते हैं, बट सेकेंड ब्लॉक में जीरो आ सकता है। इसका मतलब है कि सेकेंड ब्लॉक में जीरो से लेकर 9 तक कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है। इन्हें 10 तरीके से आप इस ब्लॉक को फिल कर सकते हो, 10 तरीके से इसको भी फिल कर सकते हो, 10 तरीके से इसको भी फिल कर सकते हो, 10 तरीके से इसको फिल कर सकते हो। अगर मैं रिपीटेशन अलो करता हूं तो क्या होगा? तो ये तो फिक्स हो गया कि इसमें जीरो नहीं आ सकता, मतलब 9 वेज से ही फिल होगा। यहाँ जीरो आ सकता है इसलिए यहाँ 10 तरीके से 10 वेज यू कैन फिल। थर्ड ब्लॉक कैन आल्सो 10 वेज, फोर्थ ब्लॉक आल्सो 10 वेज, फिफ्थ ब्लॉक इज आल्सो filled in 10 ways. Then total number of ways means what? 90,000 5-digit numbers you may generate with the help of 10 digits. So we directly comes to know the counting without listing them, without wasting much time. So this is the technique, this is the objective of this chapter. Now from informal technique to formal technique we will go, and that is what non-technical terms to technical terms will move on in this chapter. So as a session 1, we'll try to understand the objective of this chapter and what is meant by counting techniques and what is meant and how we can use this multiplication rule on the condition without repetition and with repetition. Without repetition and with repetition. That's all. Now we'll take the last question to understand more. I wanted to make as a just a technique again. We are having like again by using 10 digits, by using this 10 digit, I wanted to make 6-digit a telephonic number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit लैंडलाइन नंबर होता है ना, लैंडलाइन नंबर। और बेसिकली लैंडलाइन नंबर कैसे होता है कि उसका एक कोड, स्टेट कोड हो सकता है, कंट्री कोड हो सकता है, या उसका हम एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट का कोड कह सकते हैं, एरिया का कोड कह सकते हैं। उसका एक कोड फिक्स होता है और रिमेनिंग जो डिजिट्स होते हैं वो बदलते हैं, राइट। सो इसी तरीके से लेट अस से इट्स रिप्रेजेंटिंग, राइट, इंडियन टेलीफोनिक नंबर। इंडिया का टेलीफोन नंबर है जिसका पहला 2 डिजिट तो फिक्स ही है, 91 अप्लाई होता है, बाकी 4 डिजिट कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो यहां मैं कह रहा हूं कि विथ द स्टार्टिंग 2 डिजिट्स विल बी 9 and 1, means you cannot disturb these places. Now we have a choice to fill remaining 4 blocks only because they are already occupied with 9 and 1 means इस डिजिट्स को, इस ब्लॉक को आप टच नहीं कर सकते हो, hence you are left with only 4 places to fill with other digits. अगर 9 और 1 यहाँ फिक्स हो चुके हैं, so we are left with 8 digits. Out of this 10 digits, 9 already occupy हो चुका है, 1 occupy हो चुका है, मतलब 8 digits we are left with. So hence this block can filled in 8 ways, and this block can filled in 7 ways, this block can filled in 6 ways, this block can filled in 5 ways. Therefore, the total telephonic numbers you can make with the country code 91 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, whatever the counting will come. Okay, so this is what we called it as without repetition of the digits. Now condition में change कर रहा हूँ. With repetition means the number can repeated n number of ways, यानी कि एक नंबर पूरी जगह पे रिपीट हो सकता है, एक से ज्यादा बार रिपीट हो सकता है. रिपीटेशन इज अलाउड. अगर ऐसा होता तो यही अरेंजमेंट क्या हमको काउंट देता है, देखिए. अगर मैं रिपीटेशन अलाउ करता हूं तो ये मुझे आंसर क्या देगा, देखते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. या बट कंडीशन वही है, हमारा इंडिया की जो कोड है 91 वो फिक्स है. नाउ अगर रिपीटेशन अलाउड होता तो ये ब्लॉक किसी भी डिजिट से दोबारा फिल हो सकता है, मतलब वी हैव अ चॉइस ऑफ 10 ways. This can be 10 ways, this can be 10 ways, this can be 10 ways. Any of the way you can fill, then total number of countings will be 10,000 telephonic numbers you can generate like this. अब यहाँ काउंट करते हैं 30 और 56. 56 into 30 means here 3 6 are 18, 1 15 plus 1 16. अगर विदाउट रिपीटेशन की बात करें तो 1680 टेलीफोनिक नंबर यू कैन फ्रेम. अगर विथ रिपीटेशन की बात करेंगे then possibilities will increases, and that is a huge number. 10,000 people का आप एक लैंडलाइन फोन फ्रेम कर सकते हो. So how the difference is created when the repetition is not allowed and when the repetition is allowed. So anyhow, finally, whatever the condition you are dealing with, we are dealing with only multiplication rule at the end to get that proper counting. So this is all about the counting technique which we called as multiplication principle, to know the counting of number of sorry, to know the number of arrangements, how many ways you can arrange the given letters, how many ways you can arrange the given numbers. So friends, with the help of this video lecture, I definitely assure you that you may definitely finish the 7.1 exercise from the NCERT textbook, including all solved examples. You may finish the first exercise. As a beginning, please do it in a proper way with the proper steps. Only hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes to finish a single question. You may see the way of writing and way of expressing the things. So, thank you for watching me here, and keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. We'll definitely meet in the second session with the new technique of counting, right? So, तब तक के लिए आप मेहनत करते रहिए, पॉलिश होते रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, right? Thank you all of you.